For this video, I'm in St. John's, Newfoundland, and I'm going to take you for a quick tour of the Avalon Mall. As an American who spends a lot of time vacationing in Canada, it always blows my mind just how much better the malls are up here. There's so many dying or dead malls where I live. And it's just crazy to come up here where all of the malls are thriving, even the ones that are kind of marginal and small. You just don't see the dead malls up here with, lots of vacancies. It's just not a thing. I mean, the economies are clearly very different, and, Canadians just support their local businesses, and Americans really don't. They just let all of our amazing malls just wither and die on the vine. So I'm walking around the Avalon Mall right now. And this is the largest mall located in Newfoundland and Labrador. And I'm not going to lie, this is a pretty remarkable mall considering I'm on an island right now. And this mall looks just absolutely brand new. So they've done so many renovations and additions to this mall. You would never know that it opened way back in 1967. One of the more recent additions was the beautiful movie theater and arcade that they built on the top level. Now, the original mall is like that two-story section that I guess is on the west side of the mall. And then they've got the newer addition that is just basically single-story. And that's the area with some of the more high-end boutiques. And that's on the east side. Officially, they've packed in about 140 stores. Yet the mall is only about 500,000 square feet. So it's not the largest mall ever built. But this place is packed, and I don't remember seeing really any vacancies or empty storefronts. I mean, this mall was thriving. It was packed with people, and the registers were ringing up pretty much in every store. So it also has the absolute largest GameStop store I've ever seen. I've never seen one so wide and big. It reminded me of like the old size of the Blockbuster video stores. I mean, it was huge. The food court was absolutely epic, and since I was in Canada, I had to finally try Mary Brown's chicken. I was impressed. I mean, they make some really great chicken sandwiches there. I also give bonus points to the Avalon Mall because, like, right across the parking lot is a Toys R Us store, like an original old school Toys R Us store. They never closed up here in Canada, and it's just great to go and walk around a Toys R Us for that 1980s nostalgia feel. They had a lot of amazing stores here. The big highlight for me was probably the Sunrise record store, because that was just basically just a huge wall of vinyl. I haven't seen this many rock records in a single store since, I was just a little kid, not since like the days of Sam Goody or Musicland. I used to work for Best Buy, so I appreciated seeing the Canadian version of Best Buy up here, which is the Source store. But I mean, I'm blown away at just how bright and airy this mall was. I mean, everything was like painted white and, marble and, all kinds of gold trim, and the light fixtures were bright, and everything just was inviting here. And that fresh chocolate you can get at the Newfoundland Chocolate Company. Oh my God, those guys are so good at what they do. All the confections were just amazing in there. So what's my bottom line for the Avalon Mall? This place is amazing. I absolutely loved it. I mean, it's one of the nicest malls that I've ever been to, and it definitely rivals like the amazing malls that I did tours on in mainland Canada, such as like the CF Champlain Mall, as well as the Micmac Mall. Those malls are definitely bigger, but this one is just as well executed. And there's a huge contrast. You'll notice the difference between like a mall like this and like the American Dream Mall. There's so many vacancies in the American Dream Mall. You'll walk entire corridors without seeing a single store. And this is like night and day different. This is a much smaller footprint mall, but they packed this place with just all kinds of amazing storefronts. So I'd much rather shop here than the American Dream Mall. And I enjoy the American Dream Mall, but that place is just way overbuilt for what it can support. Thanks for joining me on this quick tour of the Avalon Mall. If you enjoyed this vlog of the Adventure Schmuck, don't forget to like and subscribe.